everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I have my baby brother with me. This is my baby brother. Come. And that's my special guest. And
It's my blue. Hello, my special blue.
he calls his hanky blue.
Come on, give me my hanky.
You call it blue, right?
like
I am
hanky.
going to show you.
Yeah, I call it blue.
I'm going to show you my homemade squishy collection. So yeah, let's get started. So it's in this little baggie, and yeah. So yeah. So first is this emoji face. It's like nighttime right now. There's a little stick there. And that's yeah.
I cannot see the playground.
So yeah, I'm just gonna. Oh come on. So yeah,
There.
this is what it looks like, and I don't know if you can see. It's so smooth.
Come on, what about the others?
Just wait.
I'll get the smushy ball.
So that's. Next I have is my favorite. Better. Oh, we're watching some kind of stuff. And next I have is this apple slice. This is my favorite one. This is so squishy. Yeah. This one looks so neat. So yeah. Next one we have is this mango squishy.
What about
That's the. Ah wait. Okay. So yeah, this is like so slow rising. So slow rising. He just killed it. Okay, next one I have is my fruit. Is this banana, which I'm still working on. And yeah, I'm gonna cut off the excess. And yeah, so this is like so slow. So next, oh my god. Oh yeah. Next I have this cheese. I'm gonna show you like
after that
very-
cookie? That black looks like cheese.
It's like, look here.
Oh,
and
nighttime.
I'll squish it.
Did you tear them? Ate.
You are the one who teared them. It's so thin and slow rising. Yeah, this is the size. Like I don't know what size it is, but it's so small. And yeah. Next I have this cookie. And yeah, this is like so good and squishy and so squishy. So yeah, that's all with my baby brother. I'm gonna see you next video because I'm gonna show you my baby brothers.
Brothers, come on.
So yeah, that's it. So that's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. Bye guys. Say okay. Come. Let's high five. Andre, come. Let's high five.
High five.
High five.